Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection box break number 75. Here's the last team up for auction. Here's Edmonton. Serial number on the box is NE189518407. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Hope we can pull something nice out of this pack. Start off with the base card for the Bruins of Ray Bourque. 19 out of 399, Ray Bourque. And we have a redemption card. It's an Ultimate Autograph Rookies to 299 for the Canadiens of Aaron Palushai. Nice hit for Montreal, Aaron Palushai. We have an Ultimate Signatures for the Sharks of Joe Pavelski. We have a beautiful hit for the Flyers. It's an Ultimate Debut Threads patch of Sean Couturier, 94 of 100. Nice looking patch for the Flyers of Sean Couturier, 94 of 100 to finish it off. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.